Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm sure you already know by reading the title, this video is about my two favorite turban hijab styles. So I normally don't wear the turban hijab style on a daily basis, but when I do opt for it, then these two are my favorite styles, and that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys today. They're really simple and take you barely 2 minutes to master. So if you want to know how I style my turban hijab, one of them is the style I'm wearing right now. Then keep watching. So we start off by putting this cap on your head, and you make sure you tie your bun really low because you don't want to end up looking like Voldemort. Then you put the hijab on your head, and you fold it a little inwards. Make sure it's all symmetrical, and one should be a short and a long side. Make sure you check that. Then you fix your hair so that I don't get hate on showing a little bit of my hair. Then we take the two ends behind and you cross them over. Get them back in front. Make sure you cover your ears, and yeah, everything's fine. Then you take the shorter side like I had shown it to you before. Then you try to fold it really neatly. Make sure it's like a triangle, and you fold it again. Make sure it's nice and thin. Then you take the shorter side and roll it across your butt. Make sure it's like a nice circle, and the latter of it, you just tuck it in behind the ear, and then you basically do the same thing to the longer side of it. Okay, then yeah, you fold it in neatly. Make sure it's nice triangle, and fold it in again, make it thin. Then you make another big roll. Okay, then you roll it around in a circle over your bun, and you can use pins for this, but then like I'm a pro and I keep doing this, so I don't need no pins. Then you roll it around, and tucking in would be a little different here. Okay, so then yeah, I'm doing some. Okay, yeah, so then you tuck it into the top, and that is it, I guess. Simple as that, nice and simple. And then make sure you have these line things because that shows that you've done a good job at it. Yeah. Oh, nice smooth transition. Let's appreciate that. Moving on to style number 2, you're basically doing the same thing as we did like in the first style. Yeah, that. Okay, yeah. So then you put both the sides behind. This time you take the longer side. Oh, look at my double chin. Okay, yeah, so you cover your ears and everything, and you're going to like make sure it looks neat like we did last time. Okay, it looks the same so far, nothing different yet. Yeah, so then you put the longer side towards the other side, make sure it's nice and round, and then you tie it, and yeah, you put it through the hole that you just made, and yeah, that is it. I think it looks sick, and yeah, nice, cute. And you can either do this, or you can like tie it like a croissant, I guess, and yeah, you roll it, and then you put it through the other hole that you've made. Looks a little complex, but then yeah, that's the best I can do to explain it to you. Make sure it's nice and neat. Keep rolling it. Make sure all the loose ends are inside, and there you have it, a nice little hijab ponytail. Looks pretty dope to me. Anyway, I hope you found this video really helpful. Like, share and subscribe, and lots of kisses to all the mehrams.
Okay, so that's it, and below this